Hello everyone, a few of my viewers have reached out in regards to music reading. So this video is about that. It's hands-on exercises, 13 actually, and we're going to be covering C major and G major. This is a video for a learner who wants to get into music reading, but they know the basic notes on the staff as well as C and G position. Rhythms will be whole notes, quarter notes, half notes, eighth notes, and I think a dotted half note, and you'll have a play-along track as well as a complimentary PDF if you want to print that out and practice on your own time. About music reading, I've noticed on YouTube there's a lot of different ads saying you can play like this in 1 week, play like this in 1 month, and it's simply not true. And I'm saying that in a very strong manner because every learner is different. Everyone's coming from different skill sets. Everyone has different time in regards to practice time. But I promise you this, one of the secrets is if you can enjoy being in the moment, creating sound in the process, you will improve. Over 30 years, I have seen and heard any age of learner, by the way, from before teenage years, teenagers, adults, all up to 80. Sometimes we want to think about the result. We want to get that number down, meaning we want to get to that level before just learning the concepts that are in front of us. And I have found for myself, as well as a teacher for 30 years, when you can sit in the moment and enjoy the process, you become so much more enriched and many music doors open. Music reading does take some time, and one of the secrets is enjoy the process, put some time into it. You don't have to go crazy. Hopefully this video will help you. Let me know if you do hit that like button, you like what I'm doing. That will tell me as a content creator and educator to keep providing valuable content for you. All right, so happy practicing and good luck with the sight reading exercises. Bye for now.
Here we go with exercise 1. You're going to have a 1 measure count up. Here's exercise 2. And then lesson 13, we start making music between melody and accompaniment. Let's check it out.
Thanks for watching the whole video. If you got value out of it, please consider subscribing as well as hitting the like button. Until next time, take care.